All right, we are at the Week 4 Trash Mouth Fantasy Football Podcast. Welcome to the show, Whoop Ass Inc.
Thank you.
All right, Whoop Ass Inc. He's having a great start to the season. You're 3-1. You're in first place. 2 come from behind wins. What do you think about your season so far?
My season has been great. Thanks to some a little bit of information and everything, I set my goal for what I was going to do in the beginning of the season. I broke my boring streak. I improvised. I adapted, and I took what I felt were the best players, and my players are coming through. Some of them have not yet come through, but I have some nice quarterbacks. I have some nice wide receivers. I have a good kicker who's always giving me solid points, 10, 12, 12, and 10. And I have to work a little bit. Maybe pick up a running back, or I'm not going to drop Hernandez, but I might want to pick up a tight end, because it seems like my tight ends are not producing, but that's further away. But I'm looking good to where I can be competitive, and as a matter of fact, I feel that I can win the division.
All right, Whoop Ass Inc. Have you gone to the local store and printed up the Wacko for Flacco t-shirts yet?
No, I haven't. No, I have not.
All right, Whoop Ass Inc. You have made a big trade today, a very interesting trade. You picked up Matt Castle and a roster moves. It seems like lately, if you want to do business with Whoop A Inc., you better have a roster move, or don't even come to the table.
Well, yeah, but also too, you have to look at it like this: is that when Doug came up, he knew right away that I wasn't going to do a trade up. I wasn't going to give up what he calls the Red Rider. I also have a BB pistol at home here called the Red Rider. But I would never go Dalton for Castle. But then he says, I know how you feel, and I said, okay.